at the bowling alley. I got my cousin and his girl in town. So we finna play a couples game. It's my cousin and his girl.
I'm gonna bust ass. Hey, y'all know how I'm coming in any sport. Different. We not worried about it. They pretty athletic too. Like both of them play sports too. So we gonna see. This gonna be fun.
This ain't no weak people.
No scrubs. You feel me?
I ain't that good at bowling, but I'm trying to do my best tonight.
Y'all know what's going on.
Hey, y'all coming, y'all. What you think y'all finna do?
We finna win. What you mean?
I'm finna try my best. I am not going outside.
Dub club. Put Dub club in the comments.
Alright. Talking all that. We finna see. If y'all go back to our video from when we went bowling for Maxwell's birthday, I sucked because my nails was over long. So since my nails not that long, hopefully I don't do as bad because I suck. But I'm finna really try to, you feel me, put on for me and my boyfriend because he be embarrassing me when I do bad. I ain't finna go out bad this time. You got your ball, babe? 15?
That little shit.
You got your ball? What size you got? 10? Alright. What size ball you got? I got a 7. Yeah, I'll be liking the light ones too. Let me see. 7? Yeah, I need about a 7. You ready? Alright. Oh no, babe. Hold on now. Hold on now. That wasn't a good start, babe. Come on now. Clean that up for me. Babe, come on. Hold on. I don't like that. I don't like that.
7?
I see I gotta put on for it. I gotta put on for it because that was not a good start.
Go ahead.
I see I gotta put on for it. I gotta put on for it because that was not a good start.
I don't want to talk, bro. I don't even want to talk.
Just start out.
Man, we finna lose? They confidence here. Look at them. No. Come on, bro.
And we cannot lose.
No, we not. That's a strike? That's a strike?
Oh, yeah.
How you coming?
Yeah.
Just some pins, folks. Go ahead. Yeah. What the fuck?
Alright, Jada. I don't know. I think so. Maybe. I ain't giving you no pointers. All right. Don't be trying to coach her over there. Hey, I'm gonna need you to fix that first round, okay? I'm gonna need you to come back from that. You got this, babe. Light work. Come on, focus. Oh my. Babe.
Hey, I don't care.
Tighten up, tighten up. That was better.
Yikes. Alright, they up on the score, bro. It's a cool day. We finna come back. That's more like Bandman to me. Okay. Good little clean up. We back up.
Okay, not too bad, man. Not too bad.
Oh, I thought that was a strike.
You thought that was a strike. Okay. I like how that look, babe. I like how that look.
Like how that look?
Yeah.
That's how we clean up. That's how we clean up. Oh, yeah. Fuck.
It's cool though.
Ooh, son, you gotta calm down, babe. Just play slow. It's right there. Yes, sir. That girl don't be playing. That girl be locking in, no doubt. Roasted glass hill. Purple jeans. Graphic hoodie. Bass Pro hat. He be glass hill, huh? On some good shit. Then pick up a spell on some good. He think he doing something, fuck.
Alright, babe. Oh yeah, we like those. That wasn't too bad, babe. That wasn't too shabby. I like those. Let's see how you pick this up. Oh yeah, that's a spare? Oh man, almost. That wasn't too bad, babe.
That's good, babe. That's an easy pickup whole time.
I'm gonna pick that up.
It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby.
Alright, you gotta come better than that, cuz. You gotta come better than that.
I'm gonna get the rest of these up out of here right now.
Alright. Show me some.
Let's do it.
Hey, not quite. Not quite. That's okay. You gotta come better. You gotta come better. Alright, take your time, Jada. Don't throw it too fast. Okay. You can work with that. Okay.
All round one deck. Alcohol will not be served to anyone under 21 years of age. Please have valid ID and be advised.
All right, babe, that was a little hard. You trying to go a little crazy now. You finna clean it up? least you got some, babe.
That's an easy pickup, though. That's a pickup. Okay. Damn, you cleared everything out, though. She left one of them up there. All in the lanes. Little touch up. He said we getting somewhere, folks. He said let's get it. He said damn. Okay, she trying to show the fuck out. Okay. She trying to show the fuck out. Okay. She get lazy. She don't even want to play no more.
Alright, y'all see the score, right? They say they got next game.
It's looking bad right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. They fucking us up.
Y'all got next game?
It's gotta be over with though. Yeah. It ain't over with yet. We're gonna see how the rest of the game.
It's basically over with, cuz I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't trying to hit that.
You just got a strike. I missed it. That's what's up, man.
All that for that, babe? Is that what I walked up here for? Okay. That's some good shit, man. That's some good shit. That's a good shit.
I'm tired of throwing bad balls, so I'm gonna really try this time on this.
All right. You should have been trying.
I've been trying, but low key, I
Yeah. Show me some. I don't want to hear no talking. Show me some.
At 12 p.m., everyone must be at least 21 years old.
Okay. 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 I feel you.
You will be coming around to check out.
Alright, this shit hard right here. It's 2 pins. Look at the pins.
We see the pins. What? What? What?
Get both of them.
All right. At least you got one of them, cuz. At least you got one of them. All right, we got Jada. Let's go. Come on, Jada. Ooh, that was close. That was almost a strike. Almost. Babe, give me another strike. I missed the last one. Oh, man. Babe, don't try to blame that on me. Oh, my God. That wasn't bad, babe. That wasn't bad. All right, cuz, you want to strike?
Yeah, go ahead, give me a strike, man. Let me see what you're working with. Oh, that was a good hit. That was a good hit. Oh, bro. All right, go ahead, get him up out of there then. Okay, that wasn't bad.
That wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
All right, I ain't seen no strike from you in a minute.
Look, I gotta play catch up now, so we feel
Yeah, you do. Yeah.
like a motherfucker.
Alright, that wasn't too bad, but you gotta come a little harder than that. Alright, you say you got next game though.
I'm doing what I can, man.
Alright, let's go, Jada. Yeah, I want a strike from you, Jada. Oh, that's okay, up for me. Pick it up. She gonna pick that up for me. Don't even worry about it. Okay, what I say? Oh yeah, we like those. We like those. You gonna give me another one, babe? Another one? Okay, that wasn't bad though, babe. That wasn't bad though. Let's see what the score is. I thought you was gonna pick that all the way up.
That's good, man. It's a damn good shot, man. It's a damn good shot, man. Man, that little ass ball, you gonna pick it up? How you gonna end this motherfucker, man? With a strike or what? You gonna go out like a hawk? You said a bang! Get your dumb ass! Got a ball. He said, fuck it. You didn't get a strike, folks. Tweaking this shit. That was damn good, man. That was damn good. Game one is a route. Jeez, look at that guy. That number one guy, the nigga on top. Oh, shit.
So I don't even know why he just did us like that. But GG's.
So this concludes the video, man. I think I did damn good. Did I not, man?
Yeah, man, you just
I was really striking shit.
I'm just glad it wasn't me, because usually when we bowl, it's just us two, and he be doing me like that. I'm glad it wasn't me, bro.
Man, I ain't come to play, man. I don't even do that. Y'all know that.
But